That's why we do it right there, boys. That is why we do it. Hurricane Marsh, find your X. Make your mark, baby. That's why we do it right there, boys. That'll make an old man run right there. Woo!
What is up, guys? We are heading out to meet the crew. 40's been a little slow lately, so the geese aren't coming to us, so we're gonna head to the geese. We're gonna go to a cornfield and we're gonna go to a feed, so we'll see how it turns out. I think yesterday they limited it out. I can't remember if they did or not. Did they, Nick? Yep, they did. Yeah, they limited it out, so we'll see. John said that we could probably hunt there a couple days in a row, so it sounds like there's going to be a lot of geese. And unfortunately Macy couldn't make it out today because she's getting ready for NWTF, getting everything straight away, so me and Nick got to slip away and come out and go hunt. So we'll see what we can get into. Hopefully we can shoot a ton of geese. That's always the goal, isn't it? So we'll see. Stay tuned. So I will let you guys know, this is my absolute first snow hunt ever. Usually if I'm wearing white out in the pit, John's like, take the white off right now. But this is my first time wearing white out hunting. I'm excited. I'm getting ready for a nice little snow hunt. It's a good little scene. Nick, is this your first time snow hunting?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
All right, I'm jealous. I've never been snow hunting. This should be cool. We're gonna sit out in some layouts, and it's really cold. It's like 15 degrees, so it's gonna be a chilly one. Yeah, that ain't coming with me.
A big giant spread. I mean, with that bean field, we ought to...
They're gonna pop.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna really pop. So the south side is on bean stubble. That's a different
This
guy.
is above
the north
my
one
pay grade.
is that runs one.
Well, we've been having a hard time. Geese have been just, I don't know, just not moving, and kind of had to go back to our roots. You know, we get spoiled hunting these pits and everything, and so Travis had spotted some geese using some of his cornfields just to, what, 2 miles west of here or so?
Yeah, straight west.
Yeah, so anyway, we popped in there yesterday after we did a podcast with Trevor, and I mean, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, once we set up, it didn't take long.
No, it was pretty quick. So we got sunny skies now. We should have some clouds moving in. You know, the geese should move. It's so, was it 16 right now or something?
Yeah, wind right out of the north.
Chilly.
Yeah, so it's cold. They're gonna be hungry. We're gonna get after them. So follow along. We'll get them. Yeah.
That worked great. My listeners got cold yesterday. What you call ears?
Yeah, so we're gonna be hunting lay down blinds today. We just got to get this blind just popped together real quick. We got a snow cover here. We'll throw it on there and we'll get it out there. Put some corn stalks in it to make it disappear. It's fun hunting in the snow. It's almost unfair. More decoys.
I love carrying decoys. We get ready, baby. Game day. I think that's the only downside to having like a permanent setup like the pit. You can't go chase them, you know?
Well, we sat there enough days, and I saw them flying over there. I'm like, it's time we go do the birds.
Not, yeah.
If nothing else, if we hunt this for a few days and get their pattern broke up, maybe we can jump back in the pit and kill them again.
Yep. There's a big snow drift right there. It's really right along the edge.
Let's face all the blinds this way, like that, and then loop this tail there, and then come into here, and we'll just do a tiny big hook. But if you're a right-handed shooter, because I'm left-handed, I'll sit on that side, and I can swing this way.
We got the call from John today. They seen a bunch of geese yesterday. They couldn't get into them, so we're switching spots.
I'm always excited to go out and shoot some geese. I think we're gonna get into them.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's side by side with more horsepower. There's a lot of weight on it. At least we got a bunch of guys today.
Yeah.
But it's a big spread we got set up yesterday. We had a lot of birds out. Yeah, we got 2 trailers.
Yeah, so like yesterday, we were set up to the north, and we got them there the day before really good. And the geese, they started coming off, and there were birds using this 2 days ago, but it got cloudy real early, so the geese started getting off the roost about 2:30, so that just made them want to fly and move around more. Last night it was sunny. They came off last minute. I think a lot of birds came down here after, so what we did, we shot our limit. There were so many geese. We got out of the field, didn't want to put trucks and trailers out there and disturb all the birds flying, so we let them have the field. There were geese dumping in our decoys when we left, so we just assumed, hey, tomorrow we'll be able to get them there. But they flew late. A lot of birds were using this. If I had to guess, when we went out and scouted another area for 2 hours, then came back and picked up after dark after all the birds returned to the roost, I would have to imagine most of them must have got in here, and you really can't see this unless you drive back to it, because the field just, the way it lays, you won't be able to see birds back here. So anyway, we got served a lesson yesterday, so we're hoping to serve them a lesson today. Yeah, so that'd be good. We just want to make sure we give them enough room to come this way and then swing out.
This is gonna, as soon as they come off that quarry, they should be able to see this.
Yeah, I would think so. I'd say we back up maybe like 100 yards or so. And
yeah, because it drops off. There's a little bit of a drop in there. Can't just hit right up on top there.
Yeah, probably so. Yeah, we'll do that. The birds have been using this, and how you can tell that, of course, you can look down, you see all the tracks, and a lot of people call these sores. So the geese will come out here and either lay on their belly, melt the snow so they can get at the waist grain or whatnot, and or they'll sit there and scratch. As you can see, there's this tracks all over in here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up a little bit this way so we can give them some room, because they're gonna be coming from the roost that's over that way. We just want to make sure they got enough room to swing this field and set up to us so the tree line doesn't mess with them at all. So good sign. We're gonna get after them. Heel. Heel, hold. Heel, hold. Sit, hold. Hold. Look, look, look. Yeah.
Oh, that one's running.
Where at?
It's right there. Get him, Brett.
Heel. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, straight out. Yep.
Heel. Heel. Gee, heel. Heel.
Oh, hey.
That's why we do it right there, boys. That is why we do it.
First band hunt ever.
Kennel. Get in there. Kennel.
What's a
Kennel up.
1328 band though?
Kennel up. Good boy, Gene, here. Heel. That's a big goose there. Heel. Heel. Sit.
Definitely got hit by a pellet, didn't it?
Goose season's coming to an end. We only got, I think, 6 days left, but boy, it's a cold one today, but ended up with a pretty cool one right here. Got a band. If you look real close, he took a pellet right there and one right there, so pretty cool stuff. The band's always fun. It'll be interesting to see where this one's from. If I have to guess, I'm gonna say this is probably a Churchill, Manitoba bird, but we'll find out. So, good time, good friends. Can't ask for anything better. Hurricane Marsh, find your X, make your mark, baby. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna mark this nail, and whoever draws that gets the band. Can you see the difference?
Yeah, one on the left.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 8?
There's 8.
So we gotta draw 2?
Nope. That way you,
I'd have put about 150 in. Make this last.
all right, who's first?
At the
Grab the nail.
First pull.
Who's next?
You got to go. Oh man.
well, there's 8.
That's this one.
The black one? Oh.
I think Pat just drew it.
Huh?
Nope.
Hey.
He's gonna come down to the last one.
Oh boy. Was there 2 in there?
No, there's one. I hope you guys are looking at it right.
There should be 2.
Yeah, 2 nails left. And so Harrison's it.
It's actually marked.
Is it marked?
Okay, wait a minute. Let's see who's got. Hold your nails out.
You got the first one.
Lead on there?
Yeah.
If it's got lead on it,
I thought you drew it.
Oh.
it's lead on the head.
Yeah, I got it.
You drew it.
Yeah, there you go.
I was gonna say when you pulled it out, I thought it was yours, but
We should have said something.
funneled in like nothing.
It was banded in Iowa. Actually, somebody look it up so we can see where we're at in Iowa. It was a female, was banded in 2024, too young to fly. Banded in June 26th, near Hamlintown, Hanlontown, Iowa.
365 miles.
So where was that again? No, it was actually, it's just south of the Twin Cities.